Today we are here at the Power Truck Show in Härmä with Blomqvist and Christoffer Stråka. They are here with their own cars.
This is the 5th year we are here, and this year we are using Mirka's products, both polishing machines and their Polarshine.
We have this Scania here, and we're also on a lot of dirt roads and we're much branches, but we have used the Polarshine to get every scratch away.
We move forest machines with this truck. It's 9 years old.
Was it a lot of scratches before you started polishing this year?
Yeah, it was extremely much because of all the branches that are scratching on the sides. We got most of the scratches away and you don't see anything now.
When you were polishing, you were using our brand new Polaros.
Yes, at first we were very skeptical because it was a rotary one, not an oscillating one. But when we used it, we were very impressed. It was quiet, fits good in the hand, and it was very good.
And you also used one of our small polishers, or ORP B. What did you think about that one?
Best machine Mirka has.
All right.
You can get it, it fits everywhere.
Are you hoping to win any prizes this year?
Of course, we're hoping, but we don't win. It's so high standards, so you can always hope.
Yeah.
Det var första här.